Step into the future of construction with this exciting video. You'll discover groundbreaking innovations that are set to transform the way we build. From cutting-edge materials to intelligent building technologies, these advancements go far beyond traditional methods. Prepare to be inspired by ideas you've likely never seen before, each one pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern construction. The SCF-60 is a self-climbing formwork system designed to enhance both safety and construction efficiency in high-rise projects. It features a fully enclosed working platform that protects workers from falling objects and adverse weather conditions. By eliminating the need for cranes and external scaffolding, the system significantly reduces material usage and labor costs. SCF-60 complies with European, British, and American safety standards and is engineered for structures exceeding 300 meters in height. It supports heavy-duty loads, offers integrated hydraulic climbing, and allows for rapid repositioning between levels. Additionally, the supplier provides full design, structural calculations, and on-site project support. A prime example of its use is the Grand Tower in Frankfurt, currently the tallest residential building in Germany. The Betblok System is a modular concrete block solution made for industrial and storage wall construction. It uses interlocking concrete blocks that fit together without mortar, allowing quick and easy installation. The blocks come in various sizes and weights, from 500 kilograms to 2,400 kilograms, and are designed for long-term reuse. Each block is manufactured with precise molds, so even blocks made years apart fit together perfectly. The system is ideal for recycling yards, warehouses, and farms, needing fire-resistant and flexible wall structures. Some versions are rated REI 60 to 360 for fire resistance, offering certified safety. The blocks can also be used to build roofed shelters or fireproof partitions in hazardous zones. Overall, the Betblok system is strong, reusable, and built for safety in changing industrial environments. The crew at Wolfe House and Building Movers possesses jaw-dropping expertise. They don't just move houses, they move entire structures of any size, shape, or material, including brick, log, and block. Still skeptical? Watch this. In one remarkable project, the Vort Travers residential building was moved 9 meters sideways and 1.2 meters backward. To accomplish this, Wolfe's team used 34 synchronized jacks, each rated at 100 tons, to shift the 850-ton structure with astonishing precision. The result? A perfectly placed building that's now expected to last another 130 years. And this is just one of many awe-inspiring moves from Wolfe's long list of engineering feats. Upgrade your outdoor spaces with Vuba Resin Bound, a high-quality surfacing system made in the UK. It combines natural stone like granite and marble with a strong UV-stable binder to create smooth, seamless finishes. The surface is 19 times more permeable than regular paving, helping water drain naturally and reducing flood risk. It's perfect for driveways, patios, paths, and even public areas like schools and parks. The transparent binder keeps the stone visible while boosting durability. With slip resistance and a 5-year anti-crack warranty, it's built to last. Vuba also offers easy-to-use DIY kits for small projects at home. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, Vuba makes surfacing stylish, safe, and sustainable. When a building receives its facade, it stops being just a structure. It becomes a symbol. That's the philosophy behind Harmon's custom curtain wall facades, which transform architectural visions into striking realities. Their work is more than just installation. It's a carefully orchestrated process where precision meets design. Need to clad a 53-story tower with 38,000 square meters of panels? Done. Completing a complex with a 19-story hospital and a 16-story clinic? No problem. The result is facades that do more than protect against wind and rain. They inspire people to stop, look up, and admire. Behind each project is a team that blends innovation, engineering, and craftsmanship. That's why Harmon continues to set the standard in high-performance building envelopes. The DELTABEAM Frame is a smart building solution that combines composite steel beams and columns for strong, slim, and fire-safe structures. It works with different slab types like hollow core, timber, or cast-in-place concrete to create shallow floor assemblies starting at just 8 inches. The design allows long spans over 10 meters, giving more open interior space with fewer columns. Prefabricated parts are delivered ready to install, reducing time and labor on site. The system includes up to 4 hours of built-in fire resistance with no extra coatings needed. It also supports green building standards like LEED and BREEAM. DELTABEAM is ideal for offices, hospitals, parking garages, and high-rise homes. Its flexibility even allows curved forms and hybrid structures with fast, accurate installation. Here's a question. What accounts for about 1/3 of global energy consumption? Manufacturing? Transportation? Actually, it's heating and cooling buildings. That's where Arium by Holcim steps in, an on-site foamed mineral insulation that's changing the game. Made only with mineral ingredients and water, Arium is lightweight, recyclable, and free from harmful chemicals. Its density can be adjusted for roofs, floors, walls, and even structural uses. With a 1 fire resistance and 0 VOCs, it's as safe as it is sustainable. It also helps reduce heating and cooling needs by improving thermal comfort. Plus, it cuts carbon emissions and construction waste. Arium isn't just insulation, it's a smarter way to build. Speed up your slab construction with the MevaDec drop-head beam panel system by Meva. This advanced formwork solution uses lightweight aluminum panels with grip openings, making handling easy and safe on site. The drop-head design allows you to strike early by lowering the slab just 190 millimeters, so beams and panels can be reused right away. With 3 forming methods in one system, it adapts to any layout, including complex or irregular shapes. Large panel sizes and reduced prop requirements cut down on labor and crane time. The Alcus facing delivers a smooth concrete finish that's easy to maintain. MevaDec is also eco-friendly, using recycled aluminum to reduce environmental impact. It's the ideal choice for efficient, clean, and cost-effective slab building on any modern project. The bridges of the future are already here, lightweight, strong, and incredibly durable. One of the leaders in this area is Fiberline, a company that has replaced steel and concrete with high-performance fiberglass. That's why Fiberline bridges weigh up to 60% less than steel bridges and 80% less than concrete ones. Despite being lightweight, they're built to endure. These bridges can handle extreme temperatures ranging from 80 degrees Celsius down to -40 degrees Celsius, making them ideal for harsh environments. They resist seawater, don't rust or corrode, and require almost no maintenance over decades. Even better, when the bridge reaches the end of its service life, the materials can be recycled. With strength, sustainability, and long-term savings, FRP Bridges are redefining modern infrastructure. TyBot is an autonomous robot designed to tie rebar on horizontal concrete decks like bridges and tunnels. It uses built-in cameras and smart vision to locate and tie intersections without any pre-programming. TyBot can complete over 1,100 ties per hour with 99% accuracy, working across spans from 11 to 117 feet. Setup takes just 2 hours, and the robot can operate in any weather, day or night, for up to 10 hours straight. By automating overhead tying work, it reduces worker fatigue and improves job site safety. One supervisor is enough to monitor its operation and reload wire. TyBot is ideal for large projects over 25,000 square feet, and is even more powerful when paired with IronBot. It's a game-changing tool that cuts labor costs and speeds up rebar installation with unmatched precision. Have you ever seen a pneumatic tube system in action? Those capsules that zip through tubes using changes in air pressure? Now imagine that concept on a larger scale, and you've got a pneumatic vacuum elevator. It's a sleek and compact solution, perfect for private homes, especially where space is limited. Unlike traditional elevators, it doesn't require a shaft, pit, or machine room, and it can even plug into a standard household power outlet. Available in several sizes and configurations, it includes models that are fully accessible for wheelchair users. A standard model from PVE can carry up to 238 kilograms, comfortably transporting up to 3 passengers. Safety is a top priority. These elevators meet strict EU and ASME standards and feature fail-safe mechanisms in case of power loss. Quiet, efficient, and panoramic in design, pneumatic elevators are redefining the future of vertical living in a surprisingly convenient way. Stamped asphalt is a smart way to turn plain blacktop into something beautiful and unique. The process starts by heating the asphalt until it softens, then pressing it in a pattern using a steel template and compactor. Once the texture is formed, colorful coatings are applied to give it the look of brick, stone, or tile. This technique keeps the surface strong and smooth, helping to prevent cracks, weeds, and shifting over time. It works well for driveways, walkways, plazas, and even roundabouts. The final result is skid-resistant, cooler underfoot, and visually striking in all seasons. Compared to stone pavers, it's quicker to install and more affordable. Stamped asphalt gives you the look of elegance with the performance of durable asphalt. Reduce noise and improve comfort in your home with Sonopan soundproofing panels. Made from 100% recycled wood fibers, these eco-friendly boards are designed to absorb sound across a wide range of frequencies, including deep bass. Each panel measures 4 by 8 feet and is 3/4 inch thick, making it easy to handle and install. They attach directly to studs or joists with standard screws and can be cut with common tools. When used with drywall and insulation, they can help achieve an impressive STC rating of up to 58. Sonopan contains no harmful chemicals or VOCs, making it safe for any space. It's perfect for bedrooms, offices, theaters, and even apartment floors using the Sonopanix variant. For affordable, effective sound control, Sonopan is a smart and sustainable solution. Geosynthetic lining systems are used to stop liquids and gases from leaking into the ground. They are made from special materials like HDPE, geomembranes, geotextiles, and clay liners. These layers are often used together, especially in landfills, to protect groundwater from contamination. Geotextiles help with drainage and reinforcement, while the geomembranes form a waterproof barrier. The clay liners expand when wet, sealing any small leaks automatically. These systems are also used in ponds, canals, mines, and tunnels. Some advanced designs include leak detection and extra drainage layers for added safety. With proper installation and testing, they provide long-lasting and reliable environmental protection. Fast Tube is a reusable fabric form made from strong polyethylene for casting round concrete columns. It comes on rolls, 100 feet for 8 to 12-inch diameters and 50 feet for 14 to 20 inches. So you can cut exact lengths on site with zero waste. The form ships flat, using only 1% of the storage space of cardboard tubes and weighing about 10% as much, which greatly reduces shipping and handling costs. It's fully waterproof and weather-resistant, making it easy to set up in any conditions before the pour. After the concrete sets, you simply pull a tab to strip the form in seconds. Used forms can be recycled for other uses, like under-slab vapor barriers, supporting sustainable construction, and LEED credits. It's praised for being the cheapest, cleanest, and fastest way to form vertical concrete columns. The clear woven material even lets you check the rebar and concrete placement during the pour. FP McCann EasyBase is a precast manhole-based system designed to speed up installation and improve reliability. Made from durable concrete and lined with polypropylene or GRP, it comes in sizes up to DN 2100 and is compatible with pipes up to 1.2 meters in diameter. The bases connect quickly using tongue and groove joints and factory-installed seals, supporting materials like PVC, clay, ductile iron, and concrete. Installation takes just minutes with no wet trades or backfilling needed, cutting labor time from 36 hours to just 1. Designed with built-in slopes and benching, it ensures smooth flow from ground level. Builders appreciate its strength, 80-year warranty, and dependable sealing, which helps protect groundwater. It's fully certified and trusted in large infrastructure projects for its cost-saving, leak-proof performance. EasyBase is a smart, ready-made solution for modern, low-maintenance drainage systems. BCORE slab is a high-tech structural panel made by Broad Group, designed for fast and efficient modular construction. It's built from 2 stainless steel plates, joined by a grid of ultra-thin steel tubes, all fused together using a 1100 degrees Celsius copper brazing process. Each panel measures up to 12 meters long, 2 meters wide, and just 0.15 meters thick, yet it's 10 times lighter than concrete and incredibly strong. Chinese builders have used BCORE to construct a 10-story building in under 29 hours. The panels are pre-insulated, fully recyclable, and work for walls, floors, beams, or decks. They're resistant to corrosion and earthquakes, making them ideal for sustainable structures. Thanks to their lightweight design, buildings can be assembled like Lego blocks with less labor and less waste. BCORE is helping shape the future of modular and green construction. Wirtgen Group is taking road building to the next level with its integrated smart automation system. Rather than offering just a single machine, they provide a full suite of automated solutions designed to improve precision, efficiency, and data-driven decision-making. For example, automatic pavers like the Vogel are capable of building roads to much tighter tolerances than traditional methods. During the milling phase, data from popular surveying and planning software helps project managers assess surface area, volume, and milling depth, minimum, average, and maximum with ease. By integrating GNSS receivers and RTK correction signals, the system delivers unmatched accuracy in both milling and paving operations. The result is smoother roads, reduced material waste, and lower overall costs. It's no surprise that smart automation was nominated for the Bauma Innovation Award 2025 in the digitalization category. This technology marks a major shift towards smarter, more sustainable road construction. The UPanel modular wall system is a fast and easy way to build strong concrete walls. Made from high-strength Ucrete with over 50% recycled fly ash, it skips the need for bricks, mortar, or steel. The panels connect with a simple key and wedge system, allowing even beginners to install them quickly. Wall construction time is cut by up to 75% compared to bricklaying. In fact, the walls of a 4-bedroom house were completed in just 6 days. Each panel is lightweight, pre-plumbed, and designed to handle extreme conditions. In tests, UPanel withstood wind speeds of 288 kilometers per hour. It's a strong, sustainable, and efficient solution for modern building needs. The Perry RCS Max rail climbing system is a modular climbing formwork solution for high-rise construction. It uses rail-guided platforms that stay firmly attached to the structure at all times through climbing shoes. Each platform has its own compact hydraulic unit, allowing synchronized and safe lifting without height differences. The system moves in precise 750mm increments, using drive rails anchored to hardened concrete. This results in faster construction cycles and smoother operations with less material waste. Safety is built in, with features like deadman switches, emergency stop buttons, and visual traffic light indicators. It's designed to plug and play with existing Perry RCS components and works reliably even in windy conditions. The RCS Max system increases job site safety, speed, and accuracy on today's demanding vertical builds. Thanks for joining us on this tour of amazing construction technologies that are changing the way we build. Stay tuned for more innovations that are shaping the future of construction. See you soon!